We have been navigating the complexities of communicating with diverse audiences and understanding the nuance of intercultural communication. Today, we'll take the next step and explore how to build meaningful and lasting relationships across cultural boundaries. In today's globalized world, building strong relationships with people from different cultural backgrounds is essential for personal and professional success. Whether you're working with international colleagues, collaborating with partners from different countries, or serving customers from diverse communities, your ability to connect across cultures can open doors, foster collaboration, and drive innovation. Why cross-cultural relationships matter? Cross-cultural relationships offer numerous benefits: increased understanding and empathy. By interacting with people from different backgrounds, you gain new perspectives and a deeper understanding of the world. Enhanced creativity and innovation. Diverse teams bring together different ideas and approaches, leading to a more creative solution. Improved communication and collaboration. When you understand and respect cultural differences, you're better equipped to communicate effectively and work together towards a common goal. Stronger business relationships. Building trust and rapport with people from different cultures can lead to new opportunities and partnerships. Personal growth and enrichment. Connecting with people from different backgrounds can broaden your horizons, challenge your assumptions, and enrich your life. Key strategies for building cross-cultural relationships. Building strong cross-cultural relationships require patience, open-mindedness, and willingness to learn. Here are some key strategies to guide you. Be curious and open-minded. Approach each interaction with a sense of curiosity and a willingness to learn about other cultures. Be open to different perspectives and way of doing things. Build trust and rapport. Establish a foundation of trust by demonstrating respect, empathy, and a genuine interest in other person's culture. Learn about other cultures. Take the time to learn about their customs, traditions, and communication styles of the cultures you interact with. This will help you avoid misunderstandings and build rapport more quickly. Finding a common ground. Look for shared interests and values that can bridge the cultural differences. Communicate clearly and effectively. Use clear, concise language and avoid jargons or slangs that might not be understood by everyone. Pay attention to non-verbal cues and adapt your communication style as needed. Be patient and flexible. Building relationships takes time and effort. Be patient, flexible, and willing to adapt your approach as you learn more about the other person's culture. Celebrate diversity. Embrace the richness and diversity of different cultures. Celebrate the unique perspective and contributions that each person brings to the table. Overcoming challenges. Building cross-cultural relationships can also come with its challenges, such as language barriers, cultural misunderstandings, and different communication styles. By being aware of these challenges and taking proactive steps to address them, you can build a stronger and a more resilient relationship.